What's up, guys? Alright, today we're taking it way back to our roots. We're going to be building a DIY entertainment center. So let's get at it. Alright, so I looked around on Pinterest for a while, got a few ideas, and I sketched out this one that I kind of liked. But I did make a few modifications to it because there were some things that I didn't like. But we have two pieces of plywood, one on bottom, one on top, and all these little things right here, these are all the supports. And I think the supports are going to be made out of gas piping because it's really strong and it looks good. I also made this little middle section. It's going to come down and there's going to be another piece of wood here. And it's almost going to look like a little floating third section in the middle right there. Alright, I'm going to go grab these supplies so we can get started. Alright, so we ran into a little bit of a problem. I was at Home Depot and I was gathering all the materials and I did a few calculations and it turns out that it was way too expensive for me and it wasn't in my budget. Because these things, this piping right here, just this stuff alone would have cost like $150 for all of it. So if that's your budget, go for it, do it. It'll look good, but I'm not on that budget. So we picked up some PVC pipe instead, and we made some adjustments to the design to make it sturdier, and so that PVC will hold it. So let's see how it works. So I bought a 4 by 8 foot slab of plywood. I had it cut up into 18 inches by 4 feet, because that's the dimensions that I wanted it for the room that I have. And there was just the right amount to where I'm gonna double up and make it twice as thick so it's more sturdy. Alright, I finished sanding. The boards are right over here. And now I'm gonna cut the PVC down to the size that I need it to. So let's go. I also screwed both of the plywoods together. So there's 2 in there. Sanded it down nice, smooth. Okay, I have all the PVC cut, and I'm gonna pre-fit everything right now just to make sure everything fits and see what we got so far. Alright, so here's a rough look on what it's gonna look like. These little things at the top aren't going to be there. It's going to be flush, so don't have to worry about that. But other than that, I'm going to shorten this a little bit, so it'll be like down to here instead of way up there. It's too long, and it's pretty stable. I'm pretty happy about that. All right, now we're going to go stain the wood. Let's do it. Alright, so I built the frame together and I'm just spray painting right now. It's got like a metallic silver looking spray paint. Thought it looked like more metal than plastic, so let's look at it. Okay, so all the painting is done. And now we just need to put on the clear coat, the protective coat over the wood. And I got a semi-gloss because I didn't want it to be too dull, but I also don't want it to be super shiny. So let's do that right now. so we are officially done with everything. All that's left to do is put on the floating cabinet, or the floating middle section right here. So we're just gonna screw that in. Airplanes. Alright, let's just get the last piece on, and then we're done. And that is it. Let's go take a look at it right now. So there's only one thing I have left to do, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. It's just to get some like plugs for these holes right here. So that's not showing. But other than that, that's it. Looks pretty good, I think. I don't know if you can see the shine. There's a little bit of shine on that. That is it. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see more of this, just let me know in the comments below. And see you next time.